Schaefer. I'm going to show you my top bar beehive that I built, following the plans that I had on davesbees.com and some other plans that I downloaded. I kind of combined those together. First, here's my lid. I used the string and the beeswax method. There's an extra one that didn't quite fit in there. Here's my follower board. I put my lemongrass oil lure in there. See if I can catch some bees. It's November now, so the bees haven't quite come out yet. Got this bush right here that tends to bloom out and brings lots of different kinds of pollinating insects around. Built it on stands, made a little landing board, 3 holes right there. So I hope I catch some bees. Thanks.